Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet table runners. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs of table runners in this video. All of these designs are of patchwork. You will see floral patches designs, round shape patches designs. You will see most of the designs in square shape, and you will see lace doily patterns or lace costers pattern designs in this video. All of these designs are very unique and attractive, especially their color schemes. You can see most of these designs are made with 7 to 8 contrasting color schemes, and 4 to 5 color schemes are normally used in almost all of the designs. So these are all very unique and attractive designs. This is very beautiful doily pattern, and these doilies are attached together made in contrasting color schemes. You will see this very beautiful crochet flower pattern as well, containing only 3 rounds. So you will see all of these different categories of designs with different type of crochet patterns and stitches. Most of these designs are having double crochet stitches used as measure stitch in them, but you will see some of the designs having half double crochet and single crochet stitches used in them as well. So you will see most of the designs are having very attractive and beautiful leaves and petal work on them as well. So different kinds of ideas are included in this video, which are in different sizes as well. So you can just make your own in a specific customized size in your favorite color scheme for your own table, because these designs are not specifically for dining tables. As you can see, these designs are for different tables, and so that's why they are in different sizes as well. So different patterns are used, and I hope you're gonna love them all. So just take a screenshot of any specific design if you like it most and you want to make your own table runner with this pattern. So you can take a screenshot of any specific color scheme as well. If you know crochet work, you can easily make them because all of the ideas are super beginner friendly and you can easily make them. In fact, many of the ideas can be made with leftover yarns of different projects as well. If you are making the table runner in a relatively smaller size, not in a bigger one, so you can just use leftover yarns of different crochet projects as well. If you don't know crochet work, or if you are a beginner and you cannot copy these designs from pictures, just do let me know in the comments as well. I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel, so you can just let me know in the comments and I will make tutorial videos on your request too. So do not forget to share your opinion in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos and tutorial videos of crochet work here on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.